So here's how you can make a habit tracker in Notion. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. So the first thing you're going to do is open up any browser in your system. Head on to the search box in Write Notion, and now we will click on the first link. If you have created an account, then log in. Otherwise, create an account. First of all, we will select a new page and then title this page Habit Tracker. Then select its icon and go to the settings of this page and click on the full width option. After that, we will write the /table below and click on Create a new database. Then we will name this table Habits and hide it. After that, we will delete the taps property. Now we will create a new property which will be called the date. After that, we will create 3 different properties and name them our habits by installing spur checkboxes. Then we will create another property and edit it by selecting the formula option inside it. And by giving it the name of progress, its icon will choose. After that, we will click on the new option on the upper right side to create a new template. Then we will name it Daily Habits and choose its icon. After that, we will go back to the settings and click on this set as default option. Then we will insert the daily habit name in the first column. After that, we will insert the dates into the dates column. Now Habit Tracker will be ready. In the same way, we can build a habit tracker in the Notion.